You're the master of your ship, and you have work to do. To make new tracks, to bring order to chaos. You hold the wheel. You write the rules. You hold the reins. You're searching for adventure, the place where Earth meets sky, where the air is clearer, the water bluer, and you won't stop until you find it. Nothing can hold you back from doing what you love. Retrax premium truck bed covers protect all the things that let you build, haul, and play with an innovative American-made design that does all the hard work for you. They're built tough, the best in the business, backed by a limited lifetime warranty. So when you climb, ride, and fly, all you have to think about is being king of the mountain. Retrax. All day, every day. Covered.